When a wildfire threatens, confusion can spread just as fast. Getting clear, verified information is critical. Introducing Firewatch, in partnership with WatchDuty. Firewatch brings real-time alerts straight to your Ring app when seconds count. And your outdoor camera uses AI to look for early signs of fire and smoke when a fire is reported in your area. If fire warning signs are spotted, your camera will let you know. Choose which Ring cameras to share snapshots from in the app. And share your snapshots with WatchDuty and first responders, providing them with precise fire locations to help minimize impact. Firewatch lets you give critical updates when every second counts. Real-time alerts, real-world impact. That's the power of Firewatch.